Hello there! Today we are going to learn to make an origami penguin. To make an origami penguin, we will need origami paper of this shade. Now cut the paper along the white lines provided on your paper. Now follow these easy steps with me to make your own penguin. Step 1 is to make crease by folding the paper in half diagonally or something like this. Then, as in step 2, we will fold the lower tip in this direction. In the next step, we will fold the sides in half at the crease to join the right tip with the left tip. Like this. Now, as step 4, we will fold the both flaps along the crease. Step 5 will be to fold the upper tip downward while spreading the paper outward. In step 6, we use the black sketch pen to draw the eyes of the penguin. And now your own origami penguin is ready.